how to enable age restricted commands on Discord. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you want to enable age restricted commands on your Discord, in this video I'll show you how you can do it easily. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Discord app on your phone and make sure that you're logged into your account. And here, once you are inside the app, simply tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And here, once you are in your profile section, simply tap on the gear icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And once you tap on it, you'll be prompted to the settings section. Now here, once you are in your settings section, simply scroll down and tap on content and social. And here under the content and social, you simply have to scroll down, and there you can see the option labeled as enable age restricted commands. So toggle on this option and that's it. That's how you can enable age restricted commands on Discord. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.